Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the Efanse free 12 USDT withdrawal. Okay, for those of you who were lucky enough to receive the 12 USDT or the 6 USDT, and some of you received 6 USDT but you don't actually know the equivalent, in this very video I'm going to be explaining all that to you, the withdrawal aspect, and how you can also accumulate more added to that amount you received. Okay, all these things we are going to be discussing in this video tutorial. All you need to do is to calm down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. Okay, then at the end of this video, for those of you who might pick interest in joining efsane update, I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. So if you are interested in joining this update after watching this video, you can join our WhatsApp group. From our WhatsApp group you can get access to this platform. That is if you're interested, but if you're not interested, you can actually watch and then subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more updates. Okay, before I proceed with this video, guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. I share money making updates every day on this channel. So if you're an online hustler, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button, show on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified with money making updates on daily basis with your smartphone. Okay, that's it, guys. Now let's proceed. Like I said, I'm going to be explaining to you guys the withdrawal aspect of this platform. Now there is ongoing event on this platform known as Efanse. But before I proceed to share with you guys the ongoing event, I would love to emphasize more on what this platform is all about in general. For those of you who are hearing about this platform for the first time, those of you who don't know about this platform for the first time, you are hearing it for the first time, I will emphasize more on that. What is this platform all about? Efanse is a Web3 project, is a blockchain project, is a drop, and you can actually receive their token, and those tokens will be issued to you on their listing day. Now before you can actually earn gems and then convert it to distant USDT. As of last month being April, we made a lot of money from this platform known as Efanse. I'm a living testimony, and those also in my WhatsApp group are living testimony. A lot of us made massive money from this platform. So for you guys to see what I'm talking about here, I'm also going to show you guys my team members so that we know that what I am saying here is a real deal. Okay, so we made a lot of money from this platform as of last month, before they now came about with the EFS token, which they are going to list before the ending of this year according to how they promised. So that is it, guys. So every day now, all you need to do is to sign in. You see this sign in option here, you sign in every day. When you click on sign in, you are going to receive 400 gems. Now this 400 gems you are receiving will be converted to the EFS token. So that is it, guys. This thing you are receiving will be converted, and then for the limited time event that is ongoing on this platform is only for those who don't have accounts with this platform before. You are eligible to receive $6, and that $6, 6 times 2 is 12. So that's why it's equivalent to $12. I know that many people don't understand why I am saying it's $12, and I will explain all that in this very video. Okay, so as a new member on this platform, you have only 3 days left. This event is ending in 3 days time, which is the 31st of this month. If you don't join for now, is that means you are not going to receive it. And then for you to also be able to get this offer, you need to use someone's referral link or someone's referral code before you can actually get that $6. That $6 is equivalent to $12. Please take note, I will explain more on that. Okay, remember the purpose of this video is for me to talk about the withdrawal aspect, but the reason why I'm emphasizing more on what this platform is all about in general is because it is for the purpose of those who are watching this video or who are hearing about this update for the first time. Okay, now when you join this platform as a new member, you join with someone's link, you are going to be given $6. That $6 is equivalent to $12. I will explain more on that, like I've said. So now, like I told you guys before, then we have been cashing out on this platform. How we cash out before is that these gems you are seeing here, we do convert it to USDT. Before you convert it to USDT, and when you come to this place here, you can see the spot account, you can see this option here, fly swipe. Before we can swap this thing here, these gems here, now we can swap it to USDT. We can swap it to USDT. So when you click on the fly swipe, you can actually swap it to USDT. That was as of that last month, before the EFS come about. Okay, but now you can only swap it to their destiny, to their frozen FS token. This is the one that is coming up. This is the airdrop they are going to list. Okay, that's the token they are going to list on exchanges like Binance, Bitgate, Bitmart, and etc. Any of the crypto exchange they list on, that is where we claim the token to. Okay, so that is it for now. You can only swap it to these gems, to this frozen EFS token. So you can't swap it to USDT. If it is before you swap it to USDT, you withdraw it instantly and get paid within the space of 2 to 3 minutes. The money will be deposited to your Binance or Bybit account or any of the crypto exchange you use in placing your withdrawal. But now it's not like that. Now this platform has made it in such a way that you can only accumulate frozen frozen FS here by with the help of these gems here, which means that any of the gems you're accumulating here will be converted to this. So you convert it to this thing as to this frozen token here. And now those of you who will be giving this for new users, you'll be giving CCSDT. Now this CCSDT you are giving is equivalent to $12. Why is it equivalent to $12? Now this EFS token here is expected to list as $6 per one, and what you are receiving as a new member is 12 EFS token. 12 EFS token. That 12 EFS token is equivalent to $12. Do you understand? Now 6 times 2. That 6 times 2 gives you what? It gives you 12. So that is what makes it $12. Some people came to my DM and was like, boss, this thing is $6 they give me. Yes, you are receiving $6, but the actual amount is $6, is $12 when you convert it now, when they list. Now talking about the withdrawal aspect now. Is this thing instant? Can you withdraw it instantly? No, the answer is no. Now this is airdrop. Now when it comes to airdrop, they intend to build community, strong community. They need a solid community before issuing the token or before launching. Now when you receive this token, all you need to do for new members, new users, when you receive this token, all you need to do is to keep accumulating more token. Keep accumulating more token. And how do you accumulate more token? Added to that $6 you have received. You already have it in mind that $6 is $12. Please take note, because that is what the platform said they are going to list at. And one thing about this platform, one thing I love about them is their transparency. If they tell you they're going to do something, they're going to do it. Before their airdrop times PHY, for those of you who received PHY as of last month, when they did their PHY airdrop, they said they were going to list at 0.1 and they listed at that 0.1. That is the reason why me personally, I trust this platform on that. They said they were going to list at that 0.1 and they listed at that 0.1, and the price is skyrocketed to $1 within the space of, it was not even up to 3 weeks. The price is skyrocketed to $1. So now this one, now they're telling you they're going to list for $6 per one. So if they list at $6 per one, which means that each one EFS token now is giving you how many dollar? Each one is giving you $6. Each one, if you are having two, is $12. Okay, so you can see the amount I have here. I'm having over 162 EFS token here. Now when they list, I'm going to get double of it. Do you understand? So that is how it works for now. Then for withdrawal, please, you can't withdraw now. You can't withdraw now. You can only claim it on that day. They are going to list on exchanges. Now when you claim it to those exchanges that day, I will also be there to guide you guys, because I'm going to make video on how you claim it or how you withdraw it to exchanges, and then how you swap it to USDT. Now that is when you now swap it to USDT. Now currently the platform they are currently building their community. They want to establish a solid community before they can list this thing, and that's the reason why they say they will be listing it at the end of this year or early next year. So we are getting closer to middle of the year already. So all you need to do, you still have every opportunity to accumulate as many gems as possible. So those gems you're accumulating, make sure you convert it to this thing. Make sure you always convert it to the EFS frozen token, because if you don't convert it to EFS frozen token, at the end of the day you discover that you can no longer convert it again, you can no longer swap it again. So that's why as you accumulate, you always swap. As you accumulate, you always swap. That's the reason why I'm always swapping my own, because they have already announced it that if you don't swap your own, then you have to use it to play games on the platform, and when you're using it to play games on the platform, it's useless to you because you can no longer claim it again. So that is it, guys. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have another question, kindly comment below, and bear it in mind, like I said, that you cannot place withdrawal now until the day they are going to list. The date has not been announced yet, so once the date is being given, I will update you guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that you'll be notified with money making updates on daily basis with your smartphone. Okay, I remain legit boss. Thank you.